In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear ChatGPT cache in Microsoft Edge. If ChatGPT is stuck loading, keeps asking you to sign in, or shows outdated content, clearing the cache and cookies just for ChatGPT can fix it without wiping data for other sites. Your browser saves small files called cookies and cached data to keep you logged in and to speed up page loads. When those files become outdated or corrupted, features can break or pages loop. Clearing just the site data gives you a clean start without touching other websites. Here's how to do it safely and quickly. First, open ChatGPT in your Edge browser so we're working on the correct site tab. Make sure the page is fully loaded. This ensures the browser shows the right site information. Next, look at the left side of the address bar and click the small lock icon. Depending on your version of Edge, this may appear as View Site Information, but it's in the same spot, right beside the website address. From the drop-down that appears, choose Cookies and Site Data. This takes you directly to the information Edge has stored locally for ChatGPT, such as login cookies and small bits of cached content. Now click Manage Cookies and Site Data. You're opening the control panel for the current site's stored data. Think of this as the trash room for ChatGPT's browser files, safe to clean out when things act up. In the list, you'll typically see entries for OpenAI.com and ChatGPT.com. Click the trash icon next to each one to remove them. If you prefer to do it in one sweep, you can also select Remove All. This does not delete your browsing history. It only clears the local data for this site. Be aware that clearing these items signs you out of ChatGPT and may reset site-specific preferences, which is normal. Once you've removed the data, refresh the page. You'll see the login screen again. Go ahead and sign back in using your usual method, and ChatGPT should load with a clean slate. Most glitches, like endless spinners, broken buttons, or weird error loops, resolve immediately after this step. A quick tip: if you use multiple Edge profiles, make sure you're in the one where you usually access ChatGPT, so you're clearing the right data. Also, your conversations and custom settings tied to your account live in the cloud, so clearing browser data for the site won't erase them. That's it. You've cleared the ChatGPT cache in Microsoft Edge and restored a fresh, stable session. If this walkthrough helped, you now have a quick first fix whenever ChatGPT feels sluggish or unreliable.